Hi everyone, in this video we will do prime factorization of 54,000 and we are going to use the ladder method, and this video is for my students. I asked them to use a method in the class. Now I will tell something extra for them to use. When we use the ladder methods, we keep dividing by prime numbers. In this side we use always the prime numbers. So in the class, for my students in this slide, I ask them to use the numbers orderly. First, you divide by 2 until you can. Then divide by 3, then divide by 5, then divide by 7. Keep the prime numbers orderly in this side. I told them to do like that. Firstly, let's do it in this way. 54,000, firstly we divide by 2, 54, half of it is 27,000. Then if we do another half now, 20,000 will be 10,000, 7,000 will be 3,550. If we divide by 2 again, 13, 12,000 will be 6,000, 1,500 will be 750. And then if we divide by 2 again, 6,000 will be 3,000, 750 will be 375. Now we can't divide by 2 anymore. We are supposed to use 3 now. But first we check, can we divide this number by 3? 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 7, 13, plus 5, 18. 18 is divisible by 3, so we can divide by 3. 33, when you divide by 3, it's making 11, and 75 makes 25. So this number 1,125. Can we divide by 3 again? Let's check that. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5, 9. We can still divide by 3. So 11 divided by 3, it will be 3 times 3, 9. 11 minus 9 will be 2, 22. 22 divided by 3, that will be 7 times. That will be 21. Once you do 22 minus 21, it will be 15. And in 15, there are 5 times 3. Now, can we divide by 3 again? Let's check. 3 plus 7, 10 plus 5, 15. We can still divide by 3. So in 3, there is 1 times 3. In 7, there are 2 times 3. It will be 15 and 5 again. Let's check, can we divide by 3 again? 1 plus 2, 3 plus 5, 8. So we can't divide by 3. That's why we try the next number, 5. Let's divide 125. Divided by 5 is 25. Divided by 5 is 5. Divided by 5 is 1. So the answer for 54,000 prime factorization, it's going to be 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 3. So you have a homework for the next week. In this homework, also in the exam, I will tell something that you can use, which is when you have zeros in the end of the number, it can be like 540, like this, 54,000. If you have zeros in the end, you can use this kind of method, which is 54,000. If you divide it by 10, you are going to get, you will just remove 1 zero from the end. The answer will be 5,400. We are going to use this idea, dividing by 10 idea. Dividing by 10 means you divide by 2, then later by 5. 2 times 5, 10. So we are going to write the numbers like this, and we are going to skip one step in here. We will remove the 0 in the end. It will become 5,400. Then, since we still have a 0 in here, we can still do the same operation, 2 and 5. That means dividing by 10. So you can remove the 0 in the end, and the number becomes 540. We still do have the 0 in the end. That's why I can divide by 2 and 5 because of this 0, and it will be removed for the next step. There will remain 54. Once there is no more 0, you can continue with the same method I told you in the beginning. Start from the smallest prime number, like 2, if you can. This time we can divide 54 by 2, which makes 27. Then keep dividing by other prime numbers, which is now we should divide by 3. Let's do that. That makes 9. Divide by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. So prime factorization of 54,000 is going to be, how many 2 do we use in here? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 to the power of 4. How many 3? We must use them orderly. 3 to the power of 3. And how many 2 has been, how many 5s has been used? Also 5 to the power of 3, it is going to be. So in the exam, in the homework, if you have zeros in the end, you can use this shortcut method. If you have no 0 in the end, you must use this previous thing that I told you in the class. Please use the numbers orderly so I can easily check your papers.